showing you how to make an egg roll in a bowl. It is keto, it is low carb, super tasty, easy to make, and even easier to eat. If you're interested to see how to make it, keep on watching. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much for those that have requested this video. It is happening because of you. I know that you did see in my Costco haul, I love to add an Asian flair to a lot of things that I eat. I like to experiment and make it keto, make it low carb, because I know things can get boring really quick and it could be the same ingredients over and over again. You may see a lot of cheese, you may see a lot of dairy, and I am sensitive to that, so I really minimize that in my diet, and I love an Asian flair. So without further ado, let's get started. What you want to do is measure out all your ingredients. We have all our ingredients here measured out, and grab a non-stick pan and also a really good spatula because you're going to be doing a lot of folding. You will put the non-stick pan over medium heat. You want to add your avocado oil. Let that simmer for about a minute, and then after that you want to add your minced garlic. Simmer this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then you want to add your pork. You could use any meat of your choice. I am using ground pork today because I've had a lot of beef this week, so ground pork it is. You're going to want to keep on stirring it until it is fully cooked, until there is no pink. That's when you know that it's fully cooked. I'm gonna let that sit right here. So as you stir, you want to break up the meat here because they can get into big globs and chunks, and you want nice small pieces. So just keep on breaking it up as you go. Once you see that there is no pink visible here, you're going to want to add your red and your green cabbage. And you're going to want to just gently fold that in. Once your red and green cabbage is folded in, add your carrots, add in your onions. Make sure you're using a big enough pot. This does make 4 servings, guys, so it is going to be a nice family meal. After folding in all your vegetables, the next step is to add all your sauces. The first sauce is oyster sauce, liquid aminos, your fish sauce, and then you're going to keep on folding everything in. I like my vegetables a little cooked, so I'm going to leave it on the pot for another minute, letting it soak up all the flavor and the juices. Next step is to add in your green onions. The green onions will cook extremely quick, so this is not going to take long at all, a minute max. Look at all those colors, they're so pretty. The last step is to add your sesame seeds, and you're just going to sprinkle this on top. This is going to add a really nice nutty flavor. And there you have it, an egg roll in a bowl. Time for my favorite part, time to eat. I usually take the first bite, but I think I'm going to invite my husband, also known as the man behind the camera, to come over here. Come on, babe. And take the first bite.
All right.
All right.
Looking forward to it.
All yours here.
Looks delicious. Give this a try. Get a nice big scoop. Yeah.
A little bit of everything in your bite.
I really like this. Yeah,
Guys,
this is good.
It's like a deconstructed egg roll. That's what it is. Without the shell, without the carbs, that's really what it is. All the stuffings within the egg roll. You got your savory meat in there. You can either use beef, or pork. I use pork, like I said, we've been eating a lot of beef, so I switch it up to pork today. And your crunchy vegetables, the red, the green cabbage, the carrot for that crunch, and sesame for that nutty flavor in there.
I'm just gonna eat it all.
Just gonna eat it all right now.
Yeah.
We like to add sriracha and chili oil to everything that we eat. We're chili heads, and that's what we do. So make it your own. All right.
All right, I'm taking this with me.
All right, he's taking it with him. Okay, camera crew, we gotta feed them, guys. Ryan is eating the other bowl behind camera right now, so I made myself a new one, and I'm going in, guys. All right, look at that. This is so good. And I'm talking with my mouth full because it's that good. Oh my god. It's like a boomerang dance. Well guys, that was my egg roll in a bowl recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. I love cooking and I love sharing it with you. Everything's gonna be linked down below. If you are curious about calories, macros, that's all in the description box below. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. There's gonna be more tippy tales on tales of my life and of things that I find interesting. Until next time, guys, you can connect and follow me. All of my socials are linked down below. And I'm signing off with some love and some gratitude. We'll see you next time. I love cooking and I love sharing it with you. And I love it when the dogs moan and growl in my outro. All right.
Okay, go.
Okay. All right, guys, that was my egg roll in a bowl recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for being a part of. I keep on getting distracted by the dog. Okay, the dogs want to be a part of my outro right now, and I may just leave them here for that.
We can't see the dog.
You can't see the dog?
No.
Sit, Freya, sit.
Freya's too short.
Freya's too short, okay. This is what Freya looks like here. This is Freya, guys. She's a 3-month-old Doberman, and she's kind of heavy. I have sesame seeds stuck in my teeth. I'm gonna grab a non-stick pot, pan, how to make a bowl. Ronan, Daisy, Freya. They're going to be part of my outro.